Now I want to talk a little bit about this terrarium here. This was my beach theme terrarium. And I made this probably back in April. So it's been about 3 months. And right now I had not attended to this terrarium. And this is what it looks like without maintaining it at all. So what I'm going to show you is that if you can see the dirt, it's a little piecey here. That's because it hasn't had any water at all. And I barely touched this and this broke. So that's what I was meaning on my last live, that if you touch them, they'll break immediately off. But this here you can save because it's pretty good leaf. You'll just have a flower pot, put it in a flower pot just facing just like that. Water it and keep it watered weekly. And then you'll start seeing roots growing out of it. Once the roots start to grow out of it, a few of them, maybe 5 or 6 roots, then you'll go ahead and place it inside the dirt. Well, let's move on. So when I was saying that as your succulent grows, the leaves are going to change colors. But at the same time, these are dead. You're going to see new ones sprouting out. So these are healthy, and that's perfectly fine, because these succulents do, these particular ones do, let's see, turn brown over time, and this is without maintaining it at all. Now, as I'm doing this, although these here are still pretty healthy, it's up to me to decide on if I want to try to keep these here or start this one all the way over. And if I start this one all the way over, that means I'm going to pluck all of these off and let it grow on its own. So that's what I'm going to do, because I'm not liking what it looks like. So I'm just going to pluck these off, and I'll grow new ones out of the healthy leaves. I'm not even going to worry about it, because the one I just plucked, you can see that that's growing. Let's pull it in. This is growing. There's a piece here growing out. And once I pull these out, you'll probably see the ones that's growing underneath these. So these are pretty much growing out, and they're going to be fine. Once I start watering this, it's going to really grow out, and it's going to be a beautiful, like palm tree looking succulent. And then I'm going to go ahead and fix these as well. So give me 1 second and I'll be right back.